Hello, if you want to learn how to make DIY coconut and sweet almond body butter, then keep watching. First, add 1/2 cup of shea butter. Next, add 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Next, you will melt them in the microwave for 30 seconds each and then stir them until it is all melted. Add 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil. Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut essential oil. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of rhubarb powder. This is optional. Stir it well. Use an electric mixer to stir it very well. Then you will put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes until it is solidified. It should look like this when it is solidified. Whip it up with the electric mixer. Keep whipping it for a couple of minutes. If you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. It should look like creamy frosting when it's ready. Stir it for a little bit when you are done. Next, you will store it in a clean container. If you have extra, then just put it in another container or jar. Make sure you store it in a cool room. If your body butter melts, put it in the fridge for about 2 hours or until it's solidified. Enjoy your homemade body butter. I'll see you guys in the next video.